Hey everyone, welcome back to Zimist Coded. Today, I'm going to show you a cool Windows 11 trick that many people don't know about. Believe it or not, you don't need any third-party software to record your screen. That's right. Windows 11 already has a built-in screen recording tool, and it's hiding in plain sight, right inside the Snipping Tool. To get started, just press Windows Shift S, or simply search for Snipping Tool in your Start menu. Once it opens, your screen will dim a bit. That's normal. By default, you'll see the camera icon, which is used for taking screenshots. But we want to record video, so go ahead and switch over to the video icon. The moment you do that, your cursor will change to a plus sign. This means it's time to select the area of your screen you want to record. Just click and drag across the section you want. A dotted rectangle will appear, showing your selected recording zone. Need to adjust it? No problem. There are 8 little handles around the edge of that rectangle that you can drag to resize however you like. Now, if you plan to add your voice to the recording, just click the microphone icon to unmute it. If you're doing a silent tutorial, leave it as it is. You can also decide whether or not to include system audio by toggling the speaker icon. Once everything looks good, hit the blue Start button to begin recording. While recording, you'll have the option to pause if you need a quick break. Just click the pause icon. If you make a mistake and want to start over, click the trash can icon to delete and exit the recording. But when you're done and satisfied, hit the big red stop button. This will end the recording and instantly open the captured video inside the Snipping Tool preview window. Click play to watch what you just recorded. Now let's talk about where your recordings are saved. If you look closely, there's a message showing you the save location. But if you missed it, don't worry. Just click the Settings gear icon in the Snipping Tool and scroll down. Under the Screen Recordings Are Saved To section, you'll see the exact folder path. Click Open Folder, and boom, there's your recording, ready to use or share. And that's it. No extra downloads, no paid tools, just your Windows 11, a few clicks, and you're recording like a pro. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more helpful tech tips right here on Zimist Coded. Catch you in the next video.